Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make 3 cups chicken, 三杯鸡. When they say 3 cups chicken, they mean actually 1 cup of Shao Hsing wine, 1 cup of light soya sauce, 1 cup of sesame oil. Now, they don't literally mean 1 whole cup of this ingredient each. Yeah, so you can actually agak yourself, and you need to be careful with sesame oil because if you put too much sesame oil, especially at the start, at the beginning, your dish will turn bitter. Anyway, later I will show you the trick. Yeah? 600 grams of chicken parts here. Then I will marinate it with a bit of light soya sauce and a bit of Shao Hsing wine. Next, you will need a lot of ginger, old ginger, right? And this is red chili is for garnishing towards the end. And you definitely will need a lot of basil. You can use any kind of basil that you can find. Sometimes basil is seasonal, at least to me. Sometimes I don't see it often. And I will be using chicken stock, using my Cooking Appa chicken powder. Very easy. Get 1 small bowl of hot water, put in the chicken stock, done. I always prefer hot water because it's faster. If you just have using room temperature, it's fine. 2 seconds, you get a very aromatic chicken stock. And you can get it from Shopee on both Malaysia and Singapore. Put in some oil, about 2 tablespoons, and I will add a little bit of sesame oil. See, I'm actually mixing with more vegetable oil with a little bit of sesame oil. You still can get the nice aromatic sesame oil, but you won't get bitter this way, yeah? And towards the end, right before we dish out the dish, we will also add in some sesame oil. We're going to saute the chili to a little bit of curling up. Like I mentioned earlier, if you put too much sesame oil, or if you cook your sesame oil by itself for too long, it will turn bitter. That's the reason why some people always fail when they try to cook this particular dish. Right, you start seeing the ginger started to curl up. This is the time. Ooh, very fragrant. I can smell the sesame oil. We can put in the chicken, marinated chicken. And use a medium-high heat to stir fry it for a while. I'm going to put in some dark soya sauce. Ooh, a little bit too much. About 1 to 1.5 tablespoons will do. Some Shao Hsing wine. Some light soya sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Some salt. Some sugar. Actually, in Taiwan, they will use caramelized sugar to darken the chicken. I'm using dark soya sauce today. Next thing is the chicken stock. Right. So we're going to bring this to a boil. Actually, almost done. This is very simple. Bring this to a boil, then I'm going to cover it with a lid. Bring down the heat and let it boil for a simmer, using medium heat or medium low for approximately 15 minutes, allowing the broth or the sauce to reduce by itself. Alright, this is after about 15 minutes. Ooh, you can see the broth has actually thickened out by itself. I don't even have to put cornstarch. This is the beauty of simmering and reducing, yeah? But the only thing to take note is this. If you're not careful, it can dry out. So you want to be careful and stand beside or keep on checking the water level so that it doesn't dry out during the reduce process, yeah? Wow, look at the beautiful color here. Now, Now I'm just going to do two things. Number one, off the fire. Put in the leaves, the red chili, and give it a few stir. I'm a basil lover, I don't know about you. Who else also likes the basil? Leave your comment in the, leave a comment below, yeah? Right, just few stir, done. And how do you make this dish to be full of aromatic sesame oil flavor? We add in a bit of sesame oil right before serving. Yeah, that is the trick. Give it a few stir and done. Right, see how simple this dish is? This dish will definitely open up your appetite. I hope you like my video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.